Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show how to solve Instagram video call failed, something went wrong and video call is not working, try again later problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. Update Instagram app if available. Make sure latest version Instagram app. Go back home screen and go to Instagram. Instagram video call problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.